Hi, welcome to the Success Seeds. I'll outline the procedures for activating your personal success. Hence, keep this result in mind while you consider whatever objective you want to reach. Imagine achieving this objective or this result. Would it alter who you are in any way? Is there any justification you can offer right now that will prevent you from achieving that objective? Keep your objective in mind and in your mind's eye to help you achieve it and activate your blueprint. Every day, pay attention to your hypnosis sessions, and when you awaken, act as though the outcome you want is a given. Also, when you behave inconsistently, or when you exhibit attitudes or behaviors that work against your objectives, you'll make the required adjustments the next time you listen to your hypnosis process, so that moving forward you will think, act, and reply with the goal in mind. Your inner capacity to see, hear, and experience in your mind's eye will get better every time you practice using your hypnosis method. Also, when you exhibit actions or attitudes that are incompatible with achieving your objectives, you are acting inconsistently. The next time you listen to your hypnosis procedure, you'll make the appropriate adjustments, so that going forward, you'll act, think, and react with the objective in mind. You will notice an improvement in your inner capacity to see, hear, and experience in your mind's eye with each practice session of employing your hypnosis procedure. Also, just like you discovered when reading Awaken the Genius, you may be a stronger visual, oral, or kinesthetic learner. You will be asked to develop your entire sensory learning skills. Someone who can make use of all of their senses and draw attention to what they wish to achieve in their surroundings. Then pursue it till you succeed. The next stage is to consider what needs to happen or change in your life in order to achieve the objective you set for yourself today. Whatever it may be, now. What will you have to give up that you are currently hanging on to very tightly, in other words? So you wouldn't even be listening to my voice right now if you weren't desperately clinging to something that was preventing you from achieving this goal. Instead, you would be out there achieving your goal. Let's use bowling as an example. A professional bowler might tell someone to release the ball in a different manner or to place a different mark in the bowling lane. They could potentially strike if they rolled the ball over the arrow and it hooked into the pocket, but if they are stuck in their old habits of rolling or tossing the ball down the alley, they are unable to change and cannot get out of their own way, which prevents them from achieving their objective. What adjustments are necessary for you to reach this objective and activate your personal success? Next, I need you to determine what resources you already have on hand to achieve your objective. Do a mental inventory whilst you are being hypnotized. This will enable you to identify your skills, abilities, and resources. I'm going to ask you to let go of any preconceived notions about how you might reach your objective and to be open to the concept that there might be an even bigger option waiting for you. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please subscribe.